back with another experiment. So this experiment is, we are gonna do experiment using only 3 items: water, lemon, salt. This is glass A and this is glass B. In glass B, it's normal. This is in glass A, we have to add water. Again, we have to add 2 spoons of salt. We should mix it well. Now, in both glasses, I'm gonna pour. In glass A, the lemon is floating. In glass B, sinking, because in glass A the density is more because I added salt water. Then in glass B it's low density because I did normal water only. Thank you, friends.
Fantastic, superb, mind-blowing, unbelievable.